position or conclusion. So we can use this one. So remember guys, if we plug negative 6 here into x plus 5 cube, this is negative 6 plus 5, which is negative 1, right? So if it is negative 1, negative 1 cube, what is the sign? So negative times negative times negative, that will become negative. So this become negative. How about if you plug negative 6 to this factor? So negative 6 minus 5, that is negative 11. So it's still negative. And if you plug it here, negative 6 minus 10, that is negative 16. So this is also negative. So if we multiply these factors or these signs, negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative is negative. And the conclusion, if it is negative, it is below. So from